I'm Swati. They had done this project for us in Elevate, and me and my husband, they are both of us are really grateful to the team for helping us. Our vision, they helped us to convert it into a reality. So, thank you, Design Artec, and thank you, Chaya, and all the team members for all the efforts that you have really put in so hard to let our dream come true and make it like a home for us.
What made you choose Design Arte for your home project?
So yeah, they are what I like about them. They are specialized professionals, and they offered us end-to-end solutions to our vision, and it was all tailor-made. And we had picked up some ideas from Pinterest and other websites, and we shared it with them that this is this is what we have in mind, and we sat through, had many we did a lot of brainstorming. We had many sessions together, and then there were 2D renders, 3D renders, and then they had those different kinds of discussions where both me and my husband would not agree on many points, but Chaya was really nice enough to bring us to some kind of a consensus, so that there is at least some things of my interests are taken into account, and some things of his interest are taken into account. So yeah, that way I'm very happy with the kind of work they have done.
Can you tell us about overall journey with our team?
It was a collaborative process, and we shared our ideas with Design Arctic and the team, and of course Chaya, and everybody around was very supportive. And they helped us transform our vision. Again, I'll say our vision into reality. A personalized home. You feel good about when you enter the house. It took us almost 4 months, which I think is a fair enough time frame because the kind of project that they have undertaken. So it took us about 4.5 months, and they delivered the project to the way we actually wanted. And still, we are in our journey. We are still adding some things, and with Chaya is constantly guiding us that okay, this will look good, this will not look good. So yeah, it's a collaborative process, and it is still continuing.
Which detail or space in your home do you personally love the most?
The place which I love most, there are actually two. One is my kitchen, which I just love it because I always wanted to have an open kitchen, like in the sense that we have guests and everybody should feel part of the entire get together. It should not be that somebody is working inside the kitchen and then you are isolated, like the rest of them are outside and one or two people are inside the kitchen and it's closed. So I always needed an open space. So yes, one of my favorite spot is the kitchen, the open kitchen. And secondly, we have this piano. It belongs to my daughter, and we have been carrying it along with us, like I don't know where, from one place to another. So we needed a specially dedicated place for the piano to be kept. So we thought that okay, let's not we thought, rather I would say that it was again Chaya's idea that okay, we can break down one of the bathrooms and convert it into a piano room. So yeah, these are the two favorite spots.
What difference do you feel in your daily life after moving into the home?
So once the house was done and we were asked by the team to come and start moving our stuff. So you can say it was kind of a mix of anxiety, stress, kind of disorientation also, and of course a lot of excitement because this was a new space for us. We had really worked hard all these months to give the shape and to make it functional, so it was a kind of a mixed feeling. But gradually now it has been almost a year that we have been staying in the house, so yeah, it feels more like a personalized space, like a home, like to which you want to come back again and again. And after a day's work, you really want to come back and relax in your own safe space, I can say.
How would you describe your overall experience with us in 2 to 3 words?
To sum it up, you're saying in 2 or 3 words. Also, it's very difficult to bring it to boil it down to just 2 or 3 words. But still, if I have to, I'll say it was a stress-free experience.
If you had to describe your home today in one feeling or emotion, what would that be?
So if I have to describe it in one word, the feeling I have for the home, it is like initial hesitation experiences into a functional home, which was converted into a functional home, which I mean, we are adapting pretty well to the house, and we like the decor, the still look of the house. We wanted a mix of Scandinavian and Mediterranean house. So that is what Chaya delivered for us.
Would you recommend us to your friends and family? If yes, then please share why.
Oh, yes, I would definitely recommend them to my friends and family because I like their professionalism, I like their transparency, and it has been 1 year that we have been living here. And even now, as you start living, you find that you experience kind of this issue is cropping up, that issue is cropping up. So they have always been very, very helpful, proactive. I mean, it's just pick up the phone, talk to her. They're very accessible. Just tell her that this is an issue I'm facing in my house. And they get it rectified like more than a year. And I have never had any problems regarding, okay, I'm struggling to get some things fixed. Because when you start living, then you realize that, okay, these are the snags that are gradually, you can start seeing them. But yes, they have been very, very proactive and they have been very helpful on that count. They have been sending their team to get all the issues fixed. So, yeah, I'm very, very thankful to them.
What was the biggest challenge in your previous home before we designed it, and how has it changed now?
So, the biggest challenge in the original house was the kitchen. I mean, I always have a fetish for an open kitchen, and we just could not wrap our mind around how to get it done because the kind the builder had provided, I was, to be very honest, not very hopeful that we can have an open kitchen in this kind of a scenario. And say, but Chaya had made it like she did it for us. Like the kind of kitchen we wanted, she made it possible for us.
Was there any design idea or detail that surprised you or exceeded your expectations?
Really, actually, the design idea which really surprised us was there were a lot of things which really surprised us in the process. We were not expecting it was far ahead of our expectations. So, one was, of course, the conversion of the bathroom into a piano room, which was unimaginable for both me and my husband. Like, it was really unimaginable that we can do it, that we can convert the bathroom into a piano room. And yes, again, it's the same. We'll come back to the same point that the kitchen, which was a closed one. So these were the two challenges which I thought that I'll have to figure out some via media or some kind of a compromise. But yeah, she made it into a functional home and which we really love and enjoy coming back to. Thank you, Design Artec, and thank you to all the team members who have really put in their hard effort in making our dream come true. Thank you.